up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Kicking Asphalt. I'm Boo Carlisle. Fred's back here getting everything ready to go today. We're headed back to Easley, South Carolina for two reasons today. Got to finish up my truck. The transmission went out. Got to finish everything up. Just got to put a muffler clamp on. Then we got to get Bittersweet ready to go to the frame shop this week. So a lot going on today. Baby Jet's coming Monday, Tuesday. So got to hurry up with Tyler, get everything done, everything ready. So hopefully we can go to New Year's Bash. At least that's what the goal is right now. But with all that said, it's a real rainy Sunday morning, mighty early. We're going to get rolling. So let's ride. We got rolling real nasty morning here in the North Georgia area. We roll up to the upstate South Carolina. They took the gas tax off this past week for gas. I know you can't see it. Gas $3.19 here. Once we get to South Carolina, it dropped quite a bit. So how much was that tax, Fred? Like 20 cents a gallon, something like that for the state of Georgia. But gotta have it, gotta have it. All right, mighty rainy, mighty dreary, mighty nasty, but we're gonna do a little bit. Well, we're gonna try to do a little bit of that 85 on 85. Get there a whole lot quicker this morning. Well, we made our way on up 85 into Greenville. Got to run over to O'Reilly's and get a muffler clamp for Little Black, I guess where I call it. And we'll shoot over to Tyler's shop. This is the biggest O'Reilly auto parts in the United States. What the guy told me last time I was over here. So it'd be cool to show y'all that. Got up here a little early. We might grab us some breakfast. They don't open at 9 o'clock, so we might get a little groceries to go down, and then we'll be over at O'Reilly's and go show you Bittersweet, see if it can be saved or not. Like I told y'all, the biggest O'Reilly auto parts in the United States. Well, we thought we was gonna find us somewhere. There ain't too many restaurants on this road other than Jack in the Box. Fred ain't jacking in the box, so he said people died in the 90s from food poisoning. So we got the biscuits on the quick trip waiting on O'Reilly's though. Fred got him some donuts or something. What'd you get you?
Cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon rolls. Tell everybody what happened at the Jack in the Box while we wasn't eating there.
People died a long time ago.
Said you ain't taking no chance dying 2 days later for a biscuit.
Nope.
Quick Trip ain't never let you down.
Nope.
Man, we have made it back after putting some groceries down to the biggest O'Reilly's. What think, Fred?
It's a big one. Raphael. Luigi.
I don't think Luigi was a Ninja Turtle. I think that's Mario's friend. Or his brother or whatever. I bet they got a little bit of everything. See if I got 602 in here we can take home. Quit playing in the damn water. Yeah, see if I can back up the back door and get it. Fred had to go get the old one. Let's see where it busted off. We got it. No tour of the O'Reilly, but we got the new clamp. Let's go back over to Easley and put it on. Then we'll get to work on the race car. That goes all the way back through there. Man, like I said, man took me on tour last time. That young gentleman, he had too much going on to take us on the tour. But on to Easley, on to the shop. Well, we shot right across town, jump here on 123. If you look real close down through there, squeeze your eyes, zoom your TV in, you can see Greenville Picking Speedway down there. Hopefully it ain't lost for too long. There's a opportunity it might be saved. A bunch of racers went to the town meeting last time, and the company that's potentially buying it may have a plan where they want to keep the racetrack if somebody will lease it. Or so biggest thing is damn bulldozer ain't driving through it next Tuesday, so there's still hope for Greenville Picking Speedway. And just like that, we're at the shop. Like Tyler already got the race car unloaded and the truck going. Oh boy, a workaholic. I didn't think he was getting here out there. Get on in here and let y'all see how bad Bittersweet is. It's horrible. Little Black running. Little Black running. We'll get this one straightened up. Easy, Fred. Ow! Mess with your honey bun or your leg. That fender took a hold of you, didn't it?
Yeah, damn place is broke.
Get this quarter panel took off, get the tail took off. Going to the frame shop on Thursday. Tyler's off all week. Baby Jet be here Tuesday. There it goes. All right. Got one side done and get the other side off. Go ahead and slide this tail right off. Slides right out the square tubing that we got in there. Just hung up just a little bit and it'll come right off. Come right off, slid right out just like that, and there's the damage that was done, slid over. I'm afraid we didn't know gas tank, didn't it? Moved a lot over. Sure did. There it is right there. I'll be able to save the tail section. It slid right off. The quarter panel, obviously, I have to order another 5-star and get another nose. Troy Carnes with Carnage Exhaust gave us some fenders that he had, so we get them old ugly things off there. Of course, got punched in the nose pretty good, so we're gonna need another one. Tyler gone in the pick-em-up truck to make sure it changes out good and everything. Got the new torque converter and pump in it, so got a lot of work to do. We got a lot done. We got the back done while he's going on the test drive. Hope everything's going good. And Fred gonna snatch the nose off and these ugly fenders that we made work. So get and on it. Get a few of them. I don't think them's ugly dug is what we're doing with that. But so. Well, T Wood's back. Hopefully it all went good. Maybe if he parks it over there to tell me it went good. The fact that it looks like he's bagging it in makes me think it didn't go too good. No, he parked it out there. Must have shifted good. Gotta go get it programmed on Thursday. But other than that, shift. Everything worked good with it. Sometimes it shifted. Huh? Oh, it worked good. Whew. T-Wood fabrication and transmission work right here in Easley, South Carolina. Don't call because he ain't answering and doing it. They're gonna be late church. Get them a gear. Baby Jet be here Tuesday. How excited are you?
I don't know about excited for two of them.
Yeah, two juniors.
I'm excited though.
Maverick have a new partner. We'll be up there Tuesday night when we get off work. What time y'all gotta go tomorrow night?
10 o'clock tomorrow night.
Get everything, got to marinate her and let her bake over. Yeah, let her soak overnight. Take the baby Tuesday morning. They got Chick-fil-A in there, so I'll bring Chick-fil-A up to the room when we come. That way we can have us a chicken sandwich. We'll have 2 Tyler Woodring, a junior and a third on the roster now.
Now.
Your racing day is about over with. Yeah. We'll be working on quarter midgets for long. That'd be fine with me. Oh God. Oh, Fred, looks like you drill bit.
Dang.
Some Harbor Freight drill bits
Nope.
for.
This is that pit boss thing.
Pit boss.
Where the drill bit's they're supposed to slide off in the back.
Well, don't look like they're sliding, Fredo. Tyler gonna rotate the tires on his pick-em-up truck. All right, that one's ready to come on. Good deal. Easy, see, biscuit. Just put the motor back together. What I have to do, clean the injectors out. You just put the motor back together and you got to test it, make sure it works. We'll probably make about $12 in scrap metal.
Because of being
Line.
battery still hooked up, it's probably got juice.
You'll be the first to know holding it.
No, just if it touches metal, it's not hard.
So much for the bumper bar and the ductwork we worked on. All because of a fool. Impatient one. Got us a hell of a pile of shit just falling off left and right over there. That's a good pile over here. We got tag team from the front and the rear. Usually have to pay extra for that. We got that for free.
I got made a sandwich.
Yeah, you just used the meat in the sandwich. Old van ain't sounding too healthy, is it? Oh! Hold on, state runner-up clogging champion of 1994 before you go to dancing again. All right, give it a kick. Let's see. Ah! Kickball champion of 1989, two-time state. Oh, yeah. Whoop, whoop. Well, she's naked now. She naked enough for OnlyFans. Yeah. Yeah, they got all the parts showing now. Topless and rearless.
At least it didn't hit the rear end.
That's the biggest blessing. Fred put his quick trip bag over the carburetor. We don't get no water in it.
All the shit.
That'll make it a day here. Get ready to roll back. All right, well, we got a lot to do on Bittersweet if we're gonna be ready by the bash. Got the Silverado back. Tyler truck rebuilt, new transmission, bulletproof, new heads. New, basically rebuilt transmission. And this one's hopefully it'll go another 150,000 miles. And Fred's still loving his Ford. That's gonna be it for the day. Well, I know it might have been a little quick video. Wanted to give y'all something. We're gonna get headed towards the house. Go get a haircut and watch a snowball derby this afternoon. But other than that, y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you next time. Take care.